I done got a grill now. I'm gold mounted, everything like that. Okay, we was outside. Hey, beautiful. I'm going to the Cardi B concert. You do too. I love your tattoos. I just put fake ones on. I had to take that shit out of my motherfucking mouth. I couldn't talk with that grill on, but my outfit is cute. It's giving tea. Look at the shoes. Real cute. But look at the makeup. Look at the details of the makeup. If y'all want the makeup look, like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a red heart. I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna recreate it if y'all want. Look at the details. Okay. Cardi loves the details. Y'all see, I'm trying to put this name on. Like, comment, and subscribe. I gotta go. My lift is calling me, like literally. Hold on. Yeah, I made it to the arena. Oh my god. Yes. Okay, y'all, we made it to the arena. Outfit of the day. Look at the details. Look at the accessories. Hey. I feel so cute. Look at the arena. Look. Her. I made it, y'all. It took me a wing, wish, and a prayer, but I made it to the motherfucking balcony elements our concert. Point blank period. And I'm gonna try to get as much content for my vlog, y'all, but my phone is gonna die. Y'all know me, family. Come on now, let's get it done and let's have some fun. Then look at these motherfucking shoes I got on. Fucking feet hurt. Mucho grande de culo. Dame tu dinero, Perry. Yo, so why the fuck I got dropped off on the other side? But look at the silhouette in the sunlight. I love y'all on the other side of the screen. Thank you, YouTube family. Life is better with you. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm almost to the escalator, y'all. I'm hiking in this bitch. That's how I know the workout has been working. Cause bitch, I'm not sweating. I'm not out of breath. With these high ass heels on. So yes, thank y'all for encouraging me with my journey and everything. And I'm time to have fun and vlog this whole experience. I made it to the motherfucking escalator. The princess is here. Again with another motherfucking wig on. But y'all know what the fuck going on these parts. I'm about to go have a good motherfucking time. Y'all, I am hiking in this bitch. On my solo dolo, on my own stilo, having a good motherfucking time. Good vibes only. Okay, I'm about to turn up. Cause these bitches love some Cardi! Her. I need a motherfucking drink. I'm hot. And bitch, I look good as fuck. Everybody calling me family. Like, comment, and subscribe to the motherfucking YouTube, y'all. I brought y'all into the motherfucking concert. So y'all gotta fucking give me some comments, some red hearts. Y'all gotta share my shit. The fuck, I'm giving y'all a free motherfucking concert. I'm not fucking playing with y'all either.
She can let him go, but when she come and fuck with Fly Out DC, I need her to fall in love.
Where's Cardi B?
Ladies, sing it, sugar, let's go. Somebody sing it.
Come on, triple abuse, real bitch.
They're talking about the window change! Press, 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 press. I don't need more press. Tell them walk on the house of press. Walk in, bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gonna take. Murder skin, coordinate a mess. Pop up, gas, food, bitch. Pop up, gas, food, bitch. I'm not in the crowd! Who know how to do the merengue?
What you did to me, so you abuse us. And if I did decide to about to die, but Cardi B, I came. Little Miss Drama, bitch. I'm leaving, bitch. My feet is on 10. Period. Okay, y'all. I'm back from the concert. Check out my t-shirt. Period. But now I'm about to eat me some cheesecake from Gino's and do my skincare routine and go to bed and edit this vlog. Okay, you guys. I love y'all. I'll be back in the shop on Monday. The kid work hard. The kid lazy. Okay. About to warm this bad boy up. Okay. What else? I got my chase. Some Gino's. Okay. Okay. We got the seafood bowl rolling. I got my cheesecake from Gino's. I got the apple one this time. Oh my God, do you see this? Yes. Of course, I find an Airbnb with the backdrop mirror. Like, imagine it's the 80s. You do coke with your man. And he eat your pussy bent over like this in the kitchen. Can y'all not tell me that's not a vibe? Period. Period. But I had so much fun.